Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and our given question is if x y into x plus y equal to 1, then find the value of 1 over x cube y cube minus x cube minus y cube. And we should solve this question for this expression. In order to solve this question, first we should take the given value, which is x y into x plus y equal to 1, and here we derive the value for x plus y. As a result, we should get x plus y equal to 1 over xy, because when this xy will move from one side of the equation to the other side of the equation, we should get the value for x plus y equal to 1 over xy. Now we should take the required value, which is 1 over x cube y cube minus x cube minus y cube, and according to basic rule of algebra, this fraction value can be written as 1 over xy whole cube, and the remaining part of the equation, which is minus x cube minus y cube, will remain same. Now from our given equation, which is xy into x plus y equal to 1, from here we derive the value for x plus y, which is equal to 1 over xy. So here we insert, or we should replace 1 over xy from this x plus y. As a result, we should get x plus y cube, because we replace from 1 over xy to x plus y. This cube value will remain same, and this remaining part of the equation will remain same. Now we should open this expression or this value from a plus b whole cube formula. As a result, this value expand in the form of according to a plus b whole cube formula as x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, and the remaining part of the equation, which is minus x cube minus y cube, will remain same. Now this x cube and this minus x cube will cancel together. This plus y cube and this minus y cube will cancel out together. As a result, we should get the value 3xy into x plus y, and according to our given equation, xy into x plus y is equal to 1, so we should replace this entire value from 1. As a result, we should get 3 into 1, and when 3 into 1 will be equal to 3. And this is the answer for this expression, which is 1 over x cube y cube minus x cube minus y cube is equal to 3. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.